Okay, here we are. I'm going to be working on these, all right? And have all my supplies. This is what I like to do. And we'll turn them into something that you can use for jewelry. Or maybe a magnet for your refrigerator. Depends on who you are, what you're looking for. All right, so first big thing I do, I've got 2 different kinds of sparkles here. That's my first key, all right? I also have 2 different kinds of silver. All right, so rock and roll. What I'm going to do here is, first things first. What is this? This is my sparkles, these are my silvers. So we're going to take 1 to start with. We'll move everybody else over to the side. And I'm going to use this one here, okay? So, and I'm going to, if I still have, oh, you know what? I did a class with a bunch of kids. I mean, some of these got left open, and so they dried up on me. It's okay. We'll go to this one. And you want to, see this has sparkles in it, which is nice. So I just kind of spread that on there. And I'm very generous about it. All right, so this is making a really cool light pattern on the paper. Can you see that? That's kind of cool. So you want to, and I should have said this before now, you want to paint your flat side, okay? There's a flat side and a rounded or curved side. You want your curved side down, and you're painting or, you know, polishing the flat side. Okay, I don't know if you can tell there. Maybe you can you see that? Okay. Now, I do that, and I let it dry. Then I want to give it, I'm going to put different colors on it, okay? This is just my design. You can do whatever it is you like, okay? Everybody's got their own style. Put a dab of red right here. Okay. And I think I would like, I need my jar opener for that. It's kind of hard. I'm gonna put some in here, okay? I love this color. So far, show you all what that's going to look like. Pretty neat. Now this is what I like to do. Okay. Wow. Check it out. Can you see that? Wow. That's really interesting. I'll make one with the blue backing. I want the blue to come right up to the edges here, like a border when you're looking at it from the front. And beautiful. Oh, wow, everybody. Check it out. Can you see that? Let me see if I can position it better. That's gorgeous. I love that. And now you cannot tell it's chipped. You couldn't even tell. So, remember, to start out with some sparkles, it gives it that three-dimensional type of outer atmosphere look, like the galaxy. And the other thing you could do is put sparkles directly on it. I have some very sheer sparkles that would look really nice. Love this color. This time, let's see. I'm gonna go for this purple. Need something bright in there. So, I think a spot of white. Oh, you know what? I'm going to use my handy dandy silver. I love how you can mix your colors up. And you always have a different pattern. Now, at the moment, it's looking like this, okay? So now, I go over it in the back with my finger again, and just tap, 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 just like this, all over it. And then that, can you see that? And yes, I have a finger load of paint here. It's okay. I just used some fingernail polish later. That came out nice. So that is two quick, easy, beautiful pieces now where you cannot tell that the cabochon has any kind of flaw. To share that with you so that you have so many different options, and this way you don't have to waste or throw away your cabochons that may not be perfect for another project. Maybe they're not suitable for you to use as a dragon eye, but you could do something like this. And work famously. Hold on 1 second. Okay, now I have two different kinds of sparkles, very fine. This one here is a glitter. Can you see that? It's a very shiny glitter. And like an iridescent white, and this is my silver. You can see that up there. And then my white, I doubt you can see it, but it's beautiful when you put it on. Just sprinkle a little on there. See if it shows up in the other ones. It might not, but this one, we're doing it right on top of the glitter nail polish. So ooh, I can feel another one. This one I'll swirl. This one came out purple. What do you think of that? I think that looks pretty good. So, just have some fun. Know that your options are not limited. And by doing this first, you're giving it like a three-dimensional look. All right? And anything is possible when it's your creativity doing the work. Anything you want. You need blue. Let's see, how about some red? I'm gonna use some, oh, forgot to put my cap on. I'm gonna use some of this mauve type pink. Cover our backs. And oh, very interesting. Look at that. So now, if I can get the other ones up for you. It's two different kinds right there. And we have, yeah, just, I think it's better if I just show them. Then we have this one. And this one. They're all different. So exciting. Many options to choose from. Okay. Just remember to have some fun when you're creating and that the sky is the limit. Don't put any restrictions on your creativity. Just allow it to flow and know that no matter what you come up with, it's your design. And that makes it beautiful. One last thing that I like to do, which is something my son ended up doing. I put a dot on the one side. these were all cracked. We're able to utilize them. Right? I apologize for not having a full black one. It makes it much harder to do this yin yang, but you get the gist of it. You get the theme. Okay. And oh, seriously. Okay. Well, till I dropped it, it was looking great. So, okay, I will work on fixing that later. I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, those are our 4 that we came up with. I'm gonna move over to show. I thought they came out really nice. Thank you for spending the day with me. And have fun creating. See you next time on Kusky Creations. Please feel free to subscribe to our channel or like or share our videos. And thank you for all the love and support, you guys. We'll talk to you next time.